Hey everyone, how are you? Just got back off the boat from Finland and it's lunchtime. What is it? Yeah, it's literally 12 o'clock here in Stockholm. So I got in this morning and some of you guys have asked to have a look at what I do with some of the meat. I don't think I'm anything amazing or flash, so it kind of feels weird me doing this, but you want to see it, this is what I do. So I've already diced the heart I cut it in half actually first. Obviously we washed and flushed it out. Let me get this in the light a little bit for you. So basically the first one is I've just put some walnut oil through it and some salty bits of some flaky bits of salt, sorry, and then pepper. I'm just going to let that sit in that for a little bit. I've already turned it through with my hands. So basically we're going to be doing, both of these are going to be fried, but I just want to see which one's better. I'm just going to turn this on here. So with it we're just going to have some fresh steamed vegetables. Sorry, the veggies not fresh, they're frozen, but I think you know what I mean. They should taste a little bit fresh. And then this one here, we're basically, I'm just going to lightly bread it. That's what this bowl's for. So I'll just get the mixture in there, turn it around, dip it in breadcrumbs, and then also fry it in a pan. Except this one will probably have a little bit more oil in it than this one. This one here, we're basically just going to kind of use the oil that's already on it. Again, get the pan really nice and hot. Just, you know, flip it around and it should be good. So yeah, like I say, this is the heart. There should be some pictures actually. I managed to take some pictures of the kind of cutting it up, but you guys should know how to cut it up. It's literally just in strips here, and I think it looks really nice. Please don't tell me, you know, I think after this hopefully you don't throw any of your hearts away. The meat looks really good. I'm guilty of doing it myself basically. So yeah, I'm gonna get this the bread started. And then you'll probably see me back here once I've got that prepared, I think. So the real star of the show's cooking now. I don't know if she wants to be on camera or not though, so you're just watching her hands.
What I wanted to say is, oh, you should have told me I would have put some nail polish on. Some army nail, like that one.
She already told me off for presenting meat in a plastic bowl. I mean, maybe next time we'll change it, but I kind of thought hunters don't care so much, so.
Well, I care.
Yeah, so maybe next time.
What do you mean maybe?
That. Yeah. Alright.
This is...
Yeah, let's do it over here. All the grinds, have to put all those through the grinder. And then we need a final plate, like, you know, to put them on. What?
I'm so proud of you.
What do you mean? Is everyone else's wives really dryly sarcastic all the time? Just... Oh, you're doing it wrong. Alright, let's give this a nudge. Feels good. A++ for texture. One. Probably. You know what? You get the idea now. I'll finish doing this and then you'll see us at the cooking stage. slice that one so good. We can get one more here. Beautiful. That's good. I need some little tongs to. Nice and easy to get out.
Well prepared as per usual.
Yeah, I know, but I gotta do one at a time, Annie. It's actually kind of going a little bit more livery looking. This one good?
Go for it.
Bones. What do you think, Annie?
It's actually good.
It's actually good.
Yeah.
And Abiyaki's over too.
I don't mind this either.
You don't mind the fried one? Are they
The unfried.
the unfried? Yeah.
I don't know what that one's called. It's fried still.
Yeah, I guess just not deep fried.
Yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah.
It was really delicious.
Not at all. At all. What I thought.
Now, what do you guys think it tastes like?
Wow.
Like it's like has a different texture to meat. Hey, it's a bit
Yeah.
smoother.
Very smooth.
Yeah. But it's
You don't think the wife would eat this?
yeah.
I think I might prefer this one.
Really?
too.
Not the fried one.
No, because
wow.
this one has better, more taste to it.
Okay. Yeah.
We should have had some more stuff in. I don't think that the beer would have been good in this one.
The beer better.
But maybe not the beer batter, but some sort of taste in it, because now it's just like plain.
Yeah. Okay.
I prefer this one.
Yeah. There we go. My turn to try now. You guys are gonna eat it all. So, I don't really know. They're both very good. But yeah, it's like a. If you guys have eaten liver before and not heart, it's like a meaty liver. It doesn't have that weird iron taste that liver has sometimes. And it's really delicious. Yeah. But I think I like them both equally. I'm a bit of a sucker for like deep fried stuff. So there you go. Cooking doesn't have to be complex or scary, and it's easy to get good results. I hope this has helped. Love to know if you want to see more. Thank you very much, everyone. Make sure to drop a like and hit that subscribe button. It really helps. Catch you next week.